Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 17th December, and this is a US session. And today, this is a news trading event. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker and make your independent decisions. Okay. With that, I think we move on to our live analysis. Okay, here the key data that is going to be out at another 30 minutes is we have a Canadian CPI month on month. Okay, forecast is 0.1%, and median CPI is year on year is 2.4, and trim CPI is 2.6 forecast. So if the data comes out to be bad, we should be getting the dollar CAD weakened further. Excuse me. Further, that means towards 143.50 or 143.60, 70, 80 level. Then on the other hand, if the data comes out to be good, then we may see the price of dollar CAD coming off. Okay. Then we have a core retail sales from the US month on month is 0.4%, and retail sales month on month is 0.6%. Okay, this is also if the data come out to be good, that means anything better than 0.4%, we expect this dollar to strengthen. Okay, again and again, if the data comes out to be bad, then we should be seeing the dollar weakness. Then also do take note that we are giving the signals. This is based on pre-announcement and post-announcement. So we are trying to buy euro dollar at 104.65, buying to try to buy pound at 126.65, and dollar yen to sell at 154.30, and gold to sell at 2651, and dollar CAD selling at 143.65. So the dollar CAD meaning that we have given only one side of the market, because sometimes I know we give two sides, one data good, one data bad. So what we are going to do today is, if we feel the data is good, then I'll tell you we can hit the market and go in the other direction. So at least we have one side, we have pretty clear that what we want to do. So you may want to key in these orders before the the data announcement. And also do take note that for gold, okay, this is we have given half lot. I think we can also raise it to one lot, because this is we are given about $8 away from $7 to $8 away from where we are. So in the event, if let's assume that this gets stopped out, then we will give you a re-entry. So as of now, we are trying to do three crosses on the dollar strength. That means dollar yen, we are going for a higher sell, pound going for a lower buy, euro going for a lower buy. Then Canadian dollars is a higher sell, and the gold is also a higher sell. Okay, so let's put in this order. Then I think we will look into other markets. We'll discuss the market. Then when the session comes near the announcement, then we will see whether any updates we want to do. Okay, let's go into the system and see how or any movement right now we are looking at. So as of now, if we look into this, I think all the markets are pretty quiet. Like for instance, like euro is still flat on the 360, pound is flat on the 360, dollar yen flat, dollar Swiss flat, Aussie flat, dollar cat flat, New Zealand dollar flat, and Sing dollar flat. And only the gold we are seeing some mild strength. Okay, so that one I think we need to look into and we start working on it. Then let's see on the lower time frame. We don't have any signal except for dollar yen has been up and down, and the dollar cat has been showing some strength. Okay, the rest all are pretty weak and pretty flat. So dollar yen is up and dollar cat. Okay. Then as of the gold right now, this is up 2646 right now, and let's see how this thing goes about. Okay. So now we go into the PT zones. Okay, the PT zones all are saying similar indication. That means no strength, all except for pound strength and dollar cat also strength. So that means pound cat should be a good movement. You know, pound cat. If you look into pound cat, I can show you. Yeah, see here. This is trading at good movement on the pound cat. Okay, let's see also that to see whether we have any opportunity on that. So overall, we look. This is going to be a range trading, and we are trying to buy or sell, you know, about 30-40 pips away from the market. Okay, so let's see the euro. Okay, euro right now this is trading at 105, and we are trying to buy at 10465. So let's evaluate that signal and to see whether that is viable or below that. So if you look into the previous week low is 10455, current month low is 10455, and right now this is trading at 105, and the high is still within the range. Okay, so now let's say we go into the chart. Market is showing in a range as long as it's within these levels, and let's say we look into the signal line. I think this is showing a base is seen, so most likely we should see the price moving higher, which means to say that the market may be bad, or the market may respond to it in such a way that it may get a spike down, then market should be turning up. So I think our 10465 this is still a viable trade, and let's leave that signal as it is. Then the next one is we are looking into the pound. Okay, pound we look into. Okay, this is testing the highs, and it's not showing any strength unless it breaks this high. So we should be looking to buy somewhere at 65 or 70. Okay, which is also we have given that level sorry, 12665. So I think we have no change on that cross. The next is we have given a dollar yen sell. Okay, sell is right now, this is in the range, and we are trying to sell at 30 and the high is 45, which happened yesterday. Okay, so either we will be selling at here or extension of this level, okay, which is 15440, okay, 40 or 45. So if we look into, sorry, I'm having a bad sore throat. Okay, so if we look into this, we should be most likely the price should be rejecting around at 35 or 40. So maybe what we can do, since the other two we have given a closer one, so here we will try to put by 10 pips higher. Okay. Then the next is we got the gold. Okay, gold right now this market is most likely, okay, most likely this is showing a low. Okay, most likely this is showing a low. Either the market may go up from here or it may have one more drop towards 28. Okay, 28 or even 30. So if we see an extension of this level, should be 28 and 25. So this market can be, okay, can be moving within the range. So I think we have given a sell order at 51, so which is about $6 higher. Wait, this is 1 minute, sorry. So let me share the thing. Yeah, so if you say we should be getting a sell somewhere extension of this level, which is 50 half and 52.8. Okay, let me double check. Yeah, we should be selling somewhere at 50 half or 52 half. Okay, and we should be, I don't think the price should be going beyond that level and stop at 55 half. Okay, so this would be also, I think, a valid signal. Okay, you should see selling somewhere near 52, 53, but we want to put in at 51. Okay, maybe we can raise it to 52 half. Okay, let me see extension of this level. Yeah, 50, 52 half, there is a congestion there. So this one we want to just raise it to 52 half, 56 half, and this one we want to see right now the low is 36. So maybe about 38 half. Okay, that's a $14 we are looking for. So once it breaks that low, then we may see the price moving lower. But again, we need to see what is the data and how the market is going to respond and how we are going to see the movement. So more or less, I think we have all the signals, we have revised, and we should be ready to go. Okay, for those of you who are coming in first time to trade news trading, okay, I'll just tell you what is to be expected and how we can trade this and how we can move on or move forward. Okay, when the data is out, we are going to give about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes for the data, for the market to digest the data. So if this within this 15 minute, like for instance, if let's say the retail sales come out to be strong, then we will see whether the order get filled. Okay, whether the order we put in, because we put in about 30-40 pips away from the market, so we will see whether it get filled. Okay, on the other hand, let's assume that the data came out to be bad, then market may move the other direction. So if that's the case, then we tell you, okay, to try to sell at a certain level, sell or buy. Then you go. So, and when you try to go in the market, okay, your reaction time should be fast enough. Okay, if let's say you're not able to hit the market, or you're not, then we should be let go the trade. Okay, don't force yourself to chase the market. Okay, that means, like for instance, okay, maybe I'll show you the levels. Okay, what I want to do the other side. Then if you see that level, you just hit the market. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, if you see, you just hit the market. So once I say hit the market, then you're going to do the opposite. Okay, like for instance, if euro dollar, okay, we have given a 10465. Okay, so when I say, okay, when I say you hit the market, euro dollar, you should be selling if you see the price above 105.35. That means somewhere near 45 or 50, 55. So if you see that level, then you sell the market. Anything above 50, 45, 50, you go for the sell. The same thing for pound. When I say hit the market, okay, you try to put a sell order at 127.45 or 65. So it doesn't mean that, like when I say this, you straight away you go and hit whatever the price we do it. Okay, but of course, if let's say the market is turning before hitting that price, market turning, then I'll say sell at this level. Okay, that one I think will be only concentrating on one or two crosses, not all the crosses. Okay, then for dollar yen, we are trying to sell at 54.40. So here, if we are going for a market, okay, I think this is going to be a bit tricky. Let me check the chart. Okay, the dollar yen buying order should be 105, 153.45. Okay, so that means 45 pips lower. Okay, so we have euro dollar selling at 105.45. Pound, you sell above 127.50. That means once you see that level, you just hit the market. Then dollar yen at 153.45. Okay, that should be the level. Okay, then finally we have a dollar CAD. Okay, we should be looking to buy. Okay, the buy order would be 142.40. So if you see 142.40, you go for a buy on dollar CAD. Okay, 142.40, which is near the today's low. Then finally gold, we should be buying at let me see. So this is about the system is showing about 33, but the chart is giving a projection of 31 half. Okay, let me see whether we have any other. The 36 half. 36 half and 33 half. Yeah, I think about 32, 33 should be idle. Okay, so we will put it as 32 half for gold. Okay, so I repeat, dollar CAD buying at 142.40. That means if you see 40, you buy. Otherwise, don't buy. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Then the gold is 32 half. Okay, if you see 32 half, you buy. Then dollar yen 153.45, you go for a buy. Then pound 127.50 or 60, you go for a sell. And euro dollar 105.50, 45 or 50, we should be going for a sell. Okay, can you all understand what I said? Can you all follow? So we are given two. Usually we will give you two orders. One buy, one sell. So now what we are trying to do is, rather than we key in two side, we one side we will let the market get filled, then the other side we will try to go on the market. And when I say market means, when we see that specific price, then only we enter, not before that. And also we enter after 15 minutes. That means, if the market comes out to be either disappointing or extreme, but if let's say no movement happens, then we will just concentrate one or two crosses. Then we don't have to concentrate on all. Okay, so this is going to be our game plan. Okay, plan A is we have already keyed in. Plan B is we wait for the data to be out. Plan C is if the market has got no movement, that means the data came out to be as expected, then we will just concentrate on one or two crosses. So this is what we are going to do. So I hope I've been clear. And for those of you who come in late, okay, I just repeat one more time and one last time because we still have another 4 more minutes left. So what we are doing now is, this is a pre-announcement trading. Okay, that means pre-announcement before the data is out. And what we are trying to do is we are trying to buy about 30-40 pips away from the current market situation. And the data we have keyed in, I mean the orders we have keyed in is, we are most likely betting that the data is going to be good, okay, except for gold. Okay, gold actually we should be a buying order, but we gave a sell order. So but the others all, I think we are expecting the data to be good. Okay, so this is our plan A. Plan B is, if let's assume the data come out to be worse than expected, then this market would be moving in the opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction. So if let's say it moves in the opposite direction, we don't have to straight away enter at the market. We give 10 to 15 minutes. That means we only enter after 15 minutes or the level reached, either one. Okay, the level for euro dollar is 105.50. The level for pound is 127.50 or 60. The level for dollar yen is 153.45, and level for dollar CAD is 142.40, and the level for gold is 2632 half. So all this I just remember, and I'm just telling you out of my mind. So I hope you have written down and you are keying in the trade. Then the third possibility is, if the data came out to be as expected, then we may not get any big movement. So if we don't get any big movement, then we will try to hit the market and we'll just concentrate on one or two. So that one I think depends on which market is moving. So that one we will decide ad hoc. Okay. So good luck to all those people who are coming in first time. This is how we do news trading, and this is what we do. So I hope you have a good experience and a profitable trading day. Okay, let's wait for the news. We have 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more minute left. Okay, good luck, and let's see how we can trade this. $30 left. Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay, let's see what is the data. Good luck to you guys. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, gold is moving slightly about 44. Dollar yen is about 70, 75, 80. Pound. Okay, the retail sales came out to be, you see, The core retail sales month on month came out to be bad, and retail sales month on month is very strong. So we are getting a mixed data. So which means to say that we may not get a very big movement because we have one good, one bad. So most likely we may not get a big movement. Okay, let's see what how the market responds. And the Canadian CPI month on month is came out to be bad. Okay, this is flat, and the median CPI year on year is higher. Trimmed CPI year on year is also higher. So that is again we are getting a mixed data, one good and one bad. So most likely we don't see any big movement because of this mixed signals that we have gotten. Okay, so now let's see how we can trade. Okay, give about 5 to 10 minutes, then we will see which way the market is moving. Okay, we'll just give 5 to 10 minutes. Let the market digest the news. Okay, let's see the chart. Okay, no movement as of now. Uh, Gold is still in a very tight range, 41. Uh, Pound euro is also okay, not much movement. Let's see, this 5 minutes, like as we expected, okay, the market is clueless and directionless. Uh, Gold is coming off a bit, $41. Uh, Pound is still flat, euro is still flat, dollar yen is also flat. Okay, what we will do, we will try to sell gold at 43. Okay, put a stop at 46, 47, then TP at 38. Okay, so this signal is we are giving post announcement. Okay, this trade, let it be as it is. Now we want to sell gold, sell gold. 2643 half. Okay, 46 half as a stop loss, then 38 half as your TP, and this is only valid for 25 minutes. Okay, we don't give much. Okay, I don't know whether we can get the order filled. Gold is still struggling around 2640 for one. We should not we should not see the high 46-47 break. So that is the only clue I can give. 44. Okay, looks like no movement, no movement for the almost like 8 minutes already. 8 minutes already, no movement. Okay, we are seeing 42. Think 43. Does anyone got order got filled? Anyone 43 half? Because just now I saw 43. I think 43 half got filled, I think. Yeah, it's filled. It's filled. Okay, it's got filled. So order is filled. So we will try to manage this trade. Okay, 43 half is filled. Just now I saw, I think our server is a bit slow. Is there anyone else in this room got filled? 43 half? Okay. So what we are expecting is we should see the price if we are right, okay, if we are right, we should see the price breaking this low. Okay, if it breaks, then probably 32 half 33 should be our target, and we should not see the price going above 46 half. So these are the two clues, and if you ask me the time, this should happen within the next 2 to 3 hours. If these are the informations I can share with you. These are the clues I can share with you. We should see at least 36 testing. At least this testing, and we should not see the 46 half breaking. If the 46 half breaks, then we are wrong. Okay, we are wrong. Then we should see a re-entry again. Okay. So all the best, for those who have taken this trade. Okay, yeah, okay. Your order was 2643. Yeah, it's filled. Okay. Actually, we gave at 43 half. So you just manage the trade, and just good luck, and see you again tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. And for those of you who are coming in first time, this is how we do a news trading. That means we have all the possibilities on the desk, on the table. That means plan A, plan B, plan C. With this, one is before the announcement, one is after the announcement. Okay. Okay, see you all again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.